Hello friends, in previous video we have drawn signal flow graph of source, load and a device section. In this video we are going to derive two-port gain using signal flow graph. Now this is a signal flow graph of two-port network. Now we will derive the equation of gain from this signal flow graph. For that purpose, we use Mason's gain formula. We have studied this formula for a control system engineering. So Mason's gain rule is given as T equal to 1 P1 delta 1 plus P2 delta 2 plus dash dash divided by delta, where Pi is a gain of ith forward path. Ith forward path. For given figure, there are only one forward path. It has only one forward path. Therefore, above equation is modified for two-port network as P equal to P1 delta 1 by delta. So now our aim is to calculate P1 delta 1 and delta. We'll see one by one. First, we'll calculate P1. So number of forward path is only one path. The gain of forward path is S21. Here P1 equal to S21. Second, delta 1 equal to 1 minus summation L11 plus summation L21. What is a L1? It is a loop order 1 of first path, loop order 2 of a first path, right? Where L11 is first loop order gain, which do not touch to the path, to first path. Same as loop order 2, which do not touch to first path. Loop, right here, second loop order gain, which do not touch to first path. From figure, we calculate L11. So here, this is a loop order 1. So this is the first loop, this is the second loop. So all these loops stretches to the forward path. So right here, L11 equal to 0 and second order L21 is also 0. Therefore, Therefore, delta 1 becomes delta 1 equal to 1 minus 0. So what is the value of delta 1? Delta 1 equal to 1. Now we'll calculate delta, third component, delta equal to 1 minus summation L1, then write plus summation L2, where L1 is first order loop gain, order loop gain. So how many first order loop gains are there? There are three first order loop gain. One is here. This is the first input side loop. So that is started from A1, B1, once again A1. What is the gain of that loop? S11 and gamma S. So right first is S11 gamma S. Second loop, this loop B2, A2 and B2. So what is the gain? S22 gamma L, S22 gamma L. So third is from A1, B2, then A2, B1 and A1. This loop which has again S21, then S12, then gamma S and gamma L. So right here S12, S21, gamma S and gamma L. L2 second order loop gain, second order means two gain of two non-touching loops, gain of two non-touching loops. So if you see from figure, there are two non-touching loops. This is the first and the second. So the gain of both is S11 gamma S, then multiplied by S22 gamma L, S22 gamma L. Okay, so this is a gain of two non-touching loops. Therefore, put all these values in the main equation of delta, then delta becomes delta equal to 1 minus summation is S11 gamma S plus S22 gamma L plus S12 S21 gamma S gamma L bracket complete plus S11 gamma S and S22 gamma L. Means we have calculated all values. Now put all values into the main equation. Therefore, gain of two-port network is given as G equal to you know that P1 delta 1 divided by delta. So put the value of P1. What is the P1 here? S21. Delta 1 is a 1. Then what is the delta? delta value is 1 minus into bracket S11 gamma S plus S22 gamma L plus S12 S21 gamma S gamma L bracket complete, then plus S11 gamma S and S12 S22 gamma L. So rearrange the equation just like this: S21 by 1 right here, 1 minus S11 gamma S minus S22 gamma L. I take this plus inside, plus S11 gamma S S22 gamma L bracket complete. So remaining part, this plus goes outside of bracket, becomes a minus S12 S21 gamma S and gamma L. Therefore, G equal to right here, or T equal to S21 by this total equation is represented as 1 minus S11 gamma S multiplied by 1 minus S22 gamma L, then minus S11 S21 gamma S gamma L. So this is a gain of two-port network. Thank you.